Hello everybody. Today is Sunday, July 27th, I believe, 2013. This is my Generac generator. We got this installed about 3 or 4 months ago, I believe April, May. But it works really well, and so this has been going on a test every Monday afternoon, and so far it looks very good. So I'm gonna give it a little run and let you get a feel for what this is like. I warned you though, it's loud when it turns on, so you might want to turn down the speakers a little bit. It's kind of loud. So let me set it down. Oh, and here's the control panel for the Generac generator. So everything looks good so far. When it's on auto, you see the green light right here. It's on. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of hard. I apologize. There it is. That stands for system ready. But I'm going to put it on manual for this demonstration. So you might want to turn on your speakers, as I said before, because it's kind of loud when it turns on. So here we go. Let me just set this down here. Sorry for the shakiness. Oops. There you go. Alright. Contact. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. I'll let it run for about a minute so you can get a feel for it. It's pretty loud. And there you have it. Generac generator. Very good and worth getting, especially if power outages during summer or winter. So that's it. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a great summer, and please feel free to comment and ask questions. Talk to you all soon. Bye.